Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. In our previous class, we solved the exercise for the lesson called Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So let's see how much we have finished. We have solved the exercise till page number 31. Now we are going to solve the exercise which is on page number 32. Now let's move to the activity part. In activity part, first exercise is use the words from brackets and fill in the blanks. We have some options in this brackets. In amazement, headed back for centuries, vanished, fetch money. So we need to fill in the right option. So let's read the first statement. Manoj sold earthen pots to dash for his family. Manoj sold earthen pots to dash for his family. Now let's read the options and let's match them. Manoj sold earthen pots to, in amazement, no, headed back, no, for centuries, vanished, fetch money. See this one. Consider this one. Manoj sold earthen pots to fetch money for his family. Now, dash the earthen pots have been used by people to store water. In amazement, headed back, for centuries, consider this one. For centuries, the earthen pots have been used by people to store water. Third one, dash, we saw Gauri carrying three big pots of water on her head. Dash, we saw Gauri carrying three big pots of water on her head. Now consider this one. In amazement, we saw Gauri carrying three big pots of water on her head. See here, in amazement we saw Gauri carrying three big pots of water on her head. The farmers along with their cattle headed back home every evening. As soon as night fell, the birds vanished into their nest. Now, read and learn. Read and learn phrases. Sita looks through the window. Through the window. Tarun jumps into the pool. Through the window and into the pool are groups of words. These are groups of words. Now, a group of words which is meaningful but does not make complete sentence is called a phrase. A group of words which is meaningful but does not make complete sentence is called a phrase. वर्ड्स का, शब्दों का एक समूह विच इज मीनिंगफुल, जो मीनिंगफुल है बट एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस नहीं है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? फ्रेज. अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड विच इज मीनिंगफुल बट डज नॉट मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस इज कॉल्ड एज फ्रेज. अ फ्रेज इज ऑलवेज अ पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस. फ्रेज हमेशा एक सेंटेंस का पार्ट रहता है. Phrase is always a part of a sentence. Generally, a phrase begins with a preposition. Generally, phrase begins with a preposition. Generally क्या होता है? Phrase preposition से start होता है. Generally, not always. A sentence may have one or two phrases. एक sentence में one or two phrases हो सकते हैं. We have seen the examples here. Sita looks through the window. Tarun jumps into the pool. So now we have some exercises relating to phrases. First one is underline the phrases in the sentence below. Birbal was a man of word. Here Birbal was a man of wisdom. Man of wisdom is a phrase here. The sun sets in the west. Sets in the west. The thief ran into the house. Into the house. On Monday morning, we have a class assembly in the basement. The postman knocked at my door. The new admission in my school is from the countryside. Now the third one is add phrases to complete the following sentence meaningfully. I have already written them. You just need to read. See here, Tina spoke politely with the teacher. The dog barks at the stranger. Mr. Mohit will come in the evening. Tina swims in the sea. The puzzles were kept away on the shelf. Now, grammar part. See here, affirmative and negative sentences. Affirmative and negative sentences. Now read here. Neeta went to the market. Neeta कहाँ गई? Market गई. Minty does not do his homework. मिंटी अपना होमवर्क नहीं करती है. Does not do his homework. मिंटी अपना होमवर्क नहीं करता है. नीता went to the market. नीता मार्केट गई. मीना came from मुंबई. मीना मुंबई से आई. मिंटी never waits for anyone. मिंटी कभी किसी का वेट नहीं करता है. Sorry. Now read here. Column A, column B. The sentences which do not contain no, not, never, none or neither nor are called affirmative sentences. The sentences which do not contain, जिस सेंटेंस में नो, नॉट, नेवर, नन, नीदर, नॉर नहीं रहता है उसे हम कहते हैं affirmative sentence. The sentence which do not contain, जिसमें ये सब चीज़ें नहीं रहती हैं, नो, नॉट, नेवर, नन, नीदर, नॉर, उसे हम affirmative कहते हैं. The sentences which contain no, not, never, none, neither, nor are called negative sentences. Negative sentences you can say opposite of affirmative sentences. These sentences, negative sentences, contain no, not, never, none or neither, nor. So these are called as negative sentences. जिस चीज़ में ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं रहती उन्हें कहते हैं affirmative. जिसमें ये सारी चीज़ें रहती है उसे कहते हैं negative. So read each sentence. Write A for affirmative, no for, and for negative sentence. Sanskrit is an ancient language. Is it a negative one? No. It is an affirmative sentence because it does not contain any no, not, never, etc. So this is affirmative. Indra never lies. So this sentence contains a no, never kind of word. So we have a never here. So never, negative sentence. Shamu is a hardworking farmer. Does this sentence contain any no, never, not word? No. So this is an affirmative sentence. We will have the party tomorrow. Again this one is also affirmative sentence. Don't be foolish. This is a negative sentence. The brave soldier is no more. This is negative. None of them passed the exam. Negative. Cheetah is the fastest animal. Affirmative. Now see here. A declarative sentence can either be an affirmative sentence or negative sentence. A declarative sentence या तो affirmative हो सकता है या फिर negative हो सकता है. Now change the following negative sentences into affirmative sentences and rewrite them. Use always or all. use always, all. We have some sentences here which are negative. We need to convert them into affirmative ones. Understood? And we also have to use always and all. So let's read. The football matches are never interesting. None of the bookstores has a dictionary. I will never do it again. The children never sit quietly. See here, I have written the affirmative sentences for these negative ones. So, first one is the football matches are never interesting. This is a negative sentence. The affirmative sentence is the football matches are always interesting. Second one is none of the bookstore has a dictionary. Affirmative sentence, all bookstores have dictionary. All bookstores have dictionary. I will never do it again. I will always do it. See here, none of the bookstores has a dictionary. All bookstores have dictionary. All bookstores have dictionary. I will never do it again. I will always do it. I will never do it. I will always do it. The children never sit quietly. The children never sit quietly. The children always sit quietly. Understood? So these first ones are negative sentences and the second ones are affirmative sentences. Now see here. Read and learn. Exclamatory sentences are always affirmative sentences. Exclamatory sentences which show surprise or shock. So exclamatory sentences are always affirmative sentences. The horse is a noble animal. This is affirmative. Exclamatory sentences जो रहते हैं वो हमेशा affirmative रहते हैं, negative नहीं रहते हैं. The horse is a noble animal. Horse एक noble animal है. ये affirmative sentence में लिखा है. Now let's see the exclamatory sentence for this one. What a noble animal the horse is. What a noble animal the horse is. This is exclamatory. Now, exercise. Change the following sentences into exclamatory sentences using what, how and alas. Rewrite the sentences. Now see here. Kanu is very weak. These are all affirmative sentences. Remember. Kanu is very weak. ये एक affirmative sentence है. इसको हमें exclamatory में लिखना है. How to write? How weak Kanu is. How weak Kanu is. Second one is, it is a deep sea. It is a deep sea. It is an affirmative sentence. Exclamatory sentence is, how deep a sea is. How deep a sea is. The tea is very hot. What a hot tea it is. What a hot tea it is. Then, it is a horrible dream. It is a horrible dream. What a horrible dream it is. What a horrible dream it is. It is a wonderful idea. It is a wonderful idea. What a wonderful idea it is. What a wonderful idea it is. So understood the difference between exclamatory and affirmative. Now these two you have to write. These are homework for you. You need to write these two. Now challenge. Read the following sentence. Tick right the correct box. One example has already done for you. So see here are some sentences. We need to tick the column which shows what kind of sentence these are. A whale is a huge animal. A whale is a huge animal. It is affirmative because it is telling us some truth. It is validating something. It is also declarative. Declarative means it is giving some statement. It is not negative. It is not imperative. Imperative means giving command or request. Is it requesting something? Is it commanding something? No. Is it a negative one? No. So, affirmative and declarative. Anil is not a lazy boy. Anil is not a lazy boy. We have a not here. So, it is negative one and it is also declarative and it is giving out a statement. It is not imperative or affirmative. Finish eating your food fast. Finish eating your food fast. It is imperative. It is giving command. Someone is giving command to someone to finish their food fast. It is also affirmative because it is not giving any negative statement. Understood? It is imperative and affirmative. Don't dirty the room. Don't dirty the room. It is negative. It contains a don't. It is negative one and it is also giving a command or request. Don't dirty the room. Then I wish I were a painter. This is affirmative. This is not negative, so it is affirmative. And it is kind of a request. I wish I were a painter. It is imperative. Neither Raj nor Rahul can tell us the truth. Neither nor. Negative. You did not ask him about the lost pen. You did not ask him about the lost pen. It is declarative. It is giving out some statement and it is also a negative one. Understood? So we have finished the lesson. In next class we will learn a poem called Running Through the Rain. So see you in next class. Till then, take care.